This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Check your tablet OS and the keyboard connection type, because Bluetooth pairs differently than wired. Once done, charge the keyboard above 20% and activate pairing mode so it can be discovered. Make sure you keep both devices close, within about 3 meters, and turn Bluetooth on in settings. If a PIN appears, type it on the keyboard, then press Enter. This establishes the connection and prevents delays later. Once paired, you configure how the keyboard behaves. Open Input or Keyboard Settings and choose Language and Layout, because a mismatched layout causes wrong characters. Then map modifier keys and function keys for tasks you use often, copy, paste, and app switches, so workflow speeds up. Make sure to set key repeat rate and delay to match your typing, and enable or disable external keyboard autocorrect based on preference. These steps make typing. You finish by integrating the keyboard into daily use and optimizing comfort. Learn system shortcuts for app switching and screenshots, and adjust a case or stand to get the right typing angle. Make sure palm support and posture prevent strain, and test shortcuts in your most used apps. If the keyboard disconnects or types wrong characters, first toggle Bluetooth and repair, then check battery level and firmware updates. If problems persist, try another device to isolate whether it's the tablet or the keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.